it's Franco's unboxing here, and now we're gonna open up these Gremlin box.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, guys, this is the egg of the Gremlins where this hatches. So, we're gonna take out the other stuff over there.
All right, let's go.
This is the gizmo. Look at how it articulates. It's pretty good. So yeah, we're gonna get the car now.
All right, let's get the other stuff.
Here's the car. This is the car where this gizmo sits in, like this. And yeah, it's pretty cool. This is the monster gremlin. It also come with the mask in the box over there. So
yeah, so this set comes.
Is the head.
Yeah, you have to take off the head off the figure to put on this mask, which is pretty funny. But yeah, let's get on to the final thing.
Bye guys, this is the end of this video. Hope you liked this video. Subscribe. See you again.
One more time.
I see you in the next video. Peace.